Check condition of tools and equipment. Functional tools and equipment refer to the tools and equipment that are in good condition and can effectively complete its regular functions. This can be noticed first by its appearance, as it is the most obvious thing to be seen. A functional tool and equipment can help you work faster and make your task much easier than usual. Given below are some examples of functional and non-defective tools. Ball-peen hammer, flat screwdriver, combination pliers, Phillips screwdriver, vice grip. Given below are some examples of functional and non-defective equipment. Bench vise, grinder, welding machine. Non-functional tools and equipment refer to the tools and equipment that are no longer capable of performing its regular function because of some damaged parts. A non-functional tool can also cause harm if it is still used in its current defective state. That is why it is important for us to label correctly a tool that is no longer functional and defective to avoid harm. Example of non-functional and defective tools. Broken ball-peen hammer handle. Causes: mishandling. The material used, wood, for the handle is substandard. Worn out handle, due to the amount of time of it being used. Bent screwdriver. Causes: mishandling. Substandard material was used in making the tool. Chipped flat screwdriver head. Causes: mishandling. Brittle metal material. Accumulation of rust on the screwdriver head. Worn out. Broken side cutting pliers handle. Causes: mishandling. Substandard material was used in making the tool. Worn out. Damaged welding cable. Causes: mishandling. Brittle cable. Accidentally cut by a sharp object. Broken grinder blade. Causes: mishandling. Chipping on the brittle surface. Worn out. There are many ways of identifying hand tools. One of these is to identify them according to their function. However, awareness of defective and non-defective hand tools is a primordial concern of workers/welders to be effective in their jobs. Below are the recommended practices to identify defective and non-defective hand tools. 1. Visual inspection. Defective tools can easily be distinguished from the functional ones through visual inspection. The physical appearance of tools will describe such characteristics as dullness, sharpness, dismantled parts, and unevenness of the teeth of the cutting tools. 2. Functionality. Another way is to check the quality of the manufactured tools. Is it already susceptible to wear and tear? Has it already exceeded its service life? Has it passed the manufacturer's quality control test? A few pieces of the hand tools issued in the shop can be subjected for condemnation. They are no longer serviceable. Some hand tools issued for years in shops, and few pieces of these can be subjected for condemnation. 3. Performance. Performance of hand tools is determined not only during the actual use but also after use to find out whether the hand tools are still worth using. 4. Service span. Hand tools are issued to shop teacher at one time. However, this must be recorded to determine when it was received and how long the tools have been kept in the shop. A hand tool which is too old is unsafe for both the students and workers. Such tools should be marked defective and segregated from the good ones. Thank you for watching.